Okay po, Miss Lilac. So, next exercise natin. So, core and lower back. So, plank. Tapos, twist tayo. May twist. And then, wipers. Pakita natin. So, from here, hindi na tayo mag-elbow plank. Hands down, plank. Tapos, twist. And back. So, hold yung position natin. Check yung papala. Ankles 90 degrees. Tapos, hands right under shoulders. Ayan. So, hold ng mabuti yung core, yung chan. Tapos, slow twist. And back. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. Okay po. So, 10 repetitions of per pair, bali 20 or 10 each side. Alternating. Tapos, ayan. Hold lang natin yung plank natin. Tapos, pag medyo pagod na, pwede na mag-rest during the work. Alright? Again, 10 repetitions. Tapos, switch tayo sa lower back workout natin. Wipers. So, down. Tapos, hands up. Dito, stay lang yung paa natin sa floor. Then, lift yung upper body, pati yung kamay. Open. Hold ng konti. And release. Alright? So, up, open, close, and down. We're gonna be doing this for 15 repetitions yung wipers. Ito naman po, for lower back and then the rhomboids, buong posterior chain natin. Para mas maganda yung posture natin all throughout our life. Yan. And then, Miss Lilac, 4 to 5 sets pa rin.